Welcome to Collision Hub News Network, your monthly source for the collision repair news and information you need to keep your business moving ahead. In this episode, CCC launching AI estimating for insurers, ICAR overhauls training requirements, General Motors launches certified repair program. All this and more, so let's get started.
Now, body shops can turn to a true partner for a solution. 3M, the maker of the world's finest abrasives, has teamed up with Festool Automotive Systems, the foremost maker of automotive tools, to bring you a sanding system that allows your technicians to work faster, smarter, and cleaner. It's compact, mobile, and intuitive, the new Total Automotive Sanding System. It settles the dust and raises your productivity and profits.
CCC could be first to bring artificial intelligence to collision repair estimating. The software will create a partial estimate based on a combination of photos and crash details. CCC Product Management and Marketing Senior Vice President Jason Verlin estimated the product would be in the hands of an initial customer group by the fourth quarter of this year and available to the entire marketplace by the first quarter of 2019. He went on to add that CCC had delivered to an insurer in May of this year the ability to use telematics to detect a crash and send a customer a text asking if they wish to make a claim. This would allow the insurer to compete with OEs in obtaining first notice of loss at impact versus waiting to receive a reported claim. Verlin discussed these and other new CCC offerings related to an insurer's use of AI, starting with loss detection and ending with the customer scheduling an appointment at an authorized shop recommended by the insurer. After the technology detects a crash, the customer will be contacted electronically and asked to send a single photo of the vehicle. From that photo, CCC Smart Total Loss will determine if the car is repairable or a total loss and notify the customer through text message or an actual phone call. If the car is repairable, the customer will be asked to take more photos guided by the software. Those photos will be used to generate an estimate and then recommend auto body shops, asking the customer to make an appointment. For more information on CCC's artificial intelligence projects, visit the CCC website. The Society of Collision Repair Specialists is partnering with human resources services firm Decisely for discounted health insurance options for SCRS members. Executive Director Aaron Schulenberg said many collision repairers either don't offer insurance or struggle with it due to premium increases over the past several years. Bureau of Labor Statistics data shows health insurance costs rose 25.6% between 2008 and 2017. SCRS had often looked at the issue of collision repair health insurance, but hadn't seen an obvious way to make a national impact until now. A recent Department of Labor decision led by Republican President Donald Trump expands affordable health coverage options for America's small businesses and their employees. Under the new ruling, small businesses, including sole proprietorships, can band together for better deals on health insurance, giving SCRS the ability to start launching health plans as early as September 1st. But before SCRS and Decisely can do anything, they need to know who they'd be insuring and what a competitive health plan would entail. Any SCRS members interested in the program or anyone interested in becoming an SCRS member are encouraged to visit the website today.
We were excited at the 2017 SEMA show to introduce our new Dan-Am Company's SATA USA Gear website. Get all kinds of great SATA swag items, cups, shirts, luggage tags. There's multiple different kinds of shirts, from pullovers to t-shirts to work shirts, polo shirts, sweatshirts, all kinds of different apparel, and they're all at competitive pricing. So great place to find SATA swag. Again, just go to SATAUSAgear.com.
The General Motors Certified Collision Repair Network is now open for applications. Enrollment officially began earlier this month on the GM Genuine Parts website, and all dealership and third-party repair facilities are welcome to apply. Making the network could generate a significant amount of volume for collision repairers, as the OE announced their plans for OnStar to detect accidents and then recommend those customers choose a certified shop prior to insurer involvement in the process. GM stated OnStar would help educate and empower GM vehicle owners by helping them locate qualified repair facilities which are following proper repair procedures and using original equipment replacement parts. The GM Collision Repair Program will utilize Mitchell as the exclusive administrator for the network. Repairers can enroll or find more information on genuinegmparts.com. ICAR has announced sweeping changes to its curriculum next year that will include more frequent welding recertification and tougher platinum and gold class requirements. Welders certified through the ICAR program will now have to re-verify their skills every 3 years instead of every 5. ICAR also said it would introduce heightened platinum and gold class, as well as create a new optional aluminum structural gold class recognition. Going forward, all gold class shops must have 100% of structural technicians reaching Pro Level 2 and half of the employees within each of the 3 other role categories at Pro Level 2. No longer can a single person represent all 4 roles necessary for gold class. ICAR will only allow a maximum of 2 categories per person to count. Gold class shops that train every one of the necessary technicians to Pro Level 3 will be recognized at a higher level of gold class beginning in 2020. Technicians since 2010 have been designated platinum at Pro Level 1, but under the overhaul, an individual can no longer be platinum unless they reach Pro Level 3. ICAR will offset these additional demands upon gold class shops with new payment changes meant to make classes more affordable and accessible for the industry. ICAR would charge $230 a month for the shop itself and $35 monthly per each tech. That means the average shop with 9 employees could pay $6,540 annually for unlimited training, which includes welding assessments. ICAR also plans to revamp all 263 core curriculum courses, making them shorter and less redundant. To learn more about the changes from ICAR, visit the SCRS website for a replay of their recent webinar with Nick Naughty, ICAR Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing. The industry gathered this month in Atlanta for the Collision Industry Conference and NACE Automechanica. We stopped in to visit Autel and learned about their new scanning and calibration tools for collision repairers.
Hi, Mike Flink with Autel, here to show you our new MaxiSys ADAS calibration system and fixture, a complete system for adjusting and calibrating ADAS on a variety of vehicles. It features our ADAS calibration frame behind me, which is a modular component frame, allowing for you to raise and lower the fixture with a motorized unit rather than by a hand crank. The main panel board you see behind me includes a Mercedes-Benz Audi initial display, and of course the kit comes with interchangeable magnetic cloth layovers to change the pattern on this fixture. The large main panel board can be easily removed out of the fixture so that you can replace it with the smaller panel board, and then there are individual targets and panels interchangeable on the small panel board to allow more expandability for newer vehicles and allow the tool to be used with a variety of vehicles in today's environment. This is the Autel MaxiSys ADAS tablet, the heart of doing the calibrations unit. It is our Autel 908 SP tablet with the ADAS functions added to it. The ADAS tablet software has been made calibration friendly. It will cross-reference all of the reports and diagnostics that we do by vehicle VIN and the RO number for working forward. The tool will scan all of the modules available in the car, telling us if there are any codes or if it passes and fails. When the finished report is done, it will also label with an ADAS bar any modules that have ADAS components in them, so we know if the code is there that we have to bill for an ADAS calibration. And the tool performs the actual calibration function for the individual car. Complete step-by-step walkthroughs, measurement information, and procedures guiding you every step of the way in performing an ADAS calibration on a vehicle for multiple systems. The ADAS MaxiSys tablet can be purchased separately, or the ADAS software application can be added to existing 908P, 908SP, and Elite MaxiSys tools, allowing you to take advantage of your existing tools or start from scratch with a complete modular unit. For more information, contact your authorized Autel dealers or contact Autel at the phone number or US support at autel.com.
If your collision center seeks faster throughput in the paint booth, check out EC520, PPG's new NV High Production Clear Coat. In a 2-coat process with minimal flash between coats, this premium speed clear force dries in 15 minutes, and your customers will appreciate its impressive gloss retention. EC520, available in both compliant and national rule regions from your local PPG Refinish distributor.
Thank you for watching this month's episode of Collision Hub News. We hope you'll make CHNN your source for the collision repair news and information you need. Want more in-depth coverage of stories you heard about today? Please visit Repairer Driven News, your daily source for information and editorial features for the collision repair industry. If you need to catch up on past episodes of CHNN, visit the YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe, ensuring you'll never miss another edition.